to Henley's English Grammar channel on YouTube and Autoplay. Here is an important topic for you. Adverbials used for different tenses. Indian students especially in the exams find difficulty or trouble while correcting tenses or using correct tenses. The adverbials indicate different tenses which students cannot catch or understand. As a result, their sentence while correcting tenses become wrong. Here are some easy explanations and tips for you to do correct tenses easily and correctly. Let us start. Adverbials are words, phrases, or clauses that modify verbs. That is, changes the activities of the verbs, often indicating time to signal different tenses in English. So, they very often indicate time. Therefore, if you understand the adverbials or adverbial phrases, you can easily understand which tense the verb should be used. They help clarify when an action occurs, making sentences more precise for grammar teaching or grammar correcting here. What are adverbials? Adverbials of time specify the timing of an action, of actions, and frequency pair with specific tenses. Single words like now or phrases like last week act as markers. For instance, yesterday typically signals simple past tense. Present tense. Adverbials here show ongoing, habitual, or recent actions. Simple present, always, usually, every day, etc. These three are commonly used adverbials. Here is one example given in the bracket. She teaches grammar every day. So every day indicates simple present tense. Present continuous. Now, at present, right now. These are common, but there are others too. She is teaching now. Present perfect. Already, yet, just, or sometimes just now, so far, for 2 hours, or for 3 hours, 4 hours, etc. So these are the adverbials that indicate the verb should be used in present perfect. One example sentence is given here. She has taught here for 2 years. Means she has completed 2 years of teaching. Now, past tenses. Now, these adverbials point completed or ongoing past events or actions. Simple past, yesterday, last night, ago, in 2020, or different past years. One example sentence, she taught yesterday. It means the teaching action happened yesterday in a past time. Past continuous, the adverbials are, common adverbials are while, at that time, all day yesterday. One example sentence is, she was teaching while it rained. Past perfect, before, by then, already. These are three common adverbials. One example sentence, she had taught before we arrived. Now, future tenses. They indicate planned or predicted actions ahead, that is in future. Simple future adverbials are tomorrow, next week, soon. One example sentence is, she will teach tomorrow. Future continuous, at this time tomorrow, all next week. One example sentence, she will be teaching at 5 p.m. particular time, or at this time tomorrow she will be teaching. Future perfect, by next year, by then, by that time, etc. Using by plus phrase, time phrase. One example sentence, she will have taught for a decade by 2030. It means by 2030, which is a future time, her teaching period will be a decade. So students, you have seen, if you learn these adverbials and when they are used, it becomes easy for you to use correct verbs in correct tenses, especially in exam when correct tenses are given to work out. And here is a learning tip for you. Rewrite adverbials like yesterday, which indicates simple past, or now, which indicates present and present continuous, to practice tense shift. For example, here I can tell you that she reads every day, or she reads now, which is present. Now, if I replace now with yesterday, then reads will become read, past tense. So when adverbial changes, the verb will also change to adjust with it. So you can practice this type of sentences. In my next video, I will give you some more example sentences on this topic. Please watch out for more videos and subscribe.